Did you know that the average person spends nearly 7 hours a day staring at a screen? That's over 100 full days a year of intense, blue light exposure that can slowly degrade your vision, leading to digital eye strain, dryness, and long-term damage. But what if you could fight back against that damage not with expensive supplements or complicated routines, but while you're fast asleep? It sounds almost too good to be true, but the science of nutrition says otherwise. Welcome. Tonight we're talking about harnessing the power of your sleep cycle to naturally repair and protect your eyes. We're going to reveal 4 simple, delicious bedtime drinks that are packed with specific, research-backed nutrients designed to work overnight, helping you wake up with eyes that feel more refreshed and resilient. The concept is powerful because it aligns with your body's natural rhythm. While you sleep, your body isn't just resting. It's in a state of intense repair and regeneration. This is the perfect window to provide it with the right building blocks. For your eyes, this means antioxidants to combat oxidative stress and specific vitamins that support the delicate structures like the macula and cornea. We're going to dive into 4 incredible drinks, starting with a classic, warm green tea. But this isn't just about hydration. It's about the catechins, powerful antioxidants in green tea that studies have shown accumulate in the retina and may help protect against harmful blue light. Next, consider a glass of tart cherry juice. Beyond being delicious, it's one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Why does better sleep matter for your eyes? Deeper, more restorative sleep means more efficient repair processes and better lubrication for dry eyes. Our third powerhouse is a simple glass of water with a squeeze of fresh lemon. This isn't just about staying hydrated, it's a strategic move. Proper hydration is critical for maintaining the vitreous gel in your eyes and producing tears to prevent nighttime dryness. The vitamin C from the lemon is a key player here, as it's essential for producing collagen, the protein that provides structure to the cornea. Finally, we have a golden milk latte made with turmeric. The star compound curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is a silent contributor to many eye conditions, and a nightly dose of this soothing spice can help create a calmer, healthier ocular environment. Think of these drinks as sending a nighttime repair crew to work on the tiny, microscopic stresses your eyes endured all day. So, what can you do tonight? Your first step is to choose one of these drinks and make it a part of your nightly wind-down routine. The key is consistency. It's the cumulative effect over weeks and months that makes the real difference. Ensure your cherry juice is unsweetened, your green tea is decaffeinated, and your golden milk is made with a pinch of black pepper to dramatically increase curcumin absorption. Remember, these are supportive measures, not cures, and they work best alongside other healthy habits like taking screen breaks and wearing blue light filtering glasses if needed. Your vision is your primary window to the world, and protecting it doesn't have to be complicated. Start tonight. Sip one of these drinks, give your body the tools it needs, and let your natural sleep cycle do the healing. If you found this helpful, do us a favor and subscribe for more science-backed tips to effortlessly upgrade your health while you rest.